Hello YouTube, a quick video here about the Ford lighting. So F150 SLT, fully loaded with all the dealer install options, 70,908. MSRP, I don't know if you guys can see there, 68,210. So right now this is the least money wise, 68,210. And then here you see the interior, fit and finish. Got cloth seating with the synthetic leather from the center armrest. It had the nice screen like all the regular F150s with the shifter over here, all the controls, trailer brake controls and everything. And then here, plenty of space in the back. The cargo bed, the lighting emblems, towing package, everything here.